How to add bullets in WhatsApp messages. Adding bullets in WhatsApp messages is quite easy and simple, but before that, make sure that your app is up to date. If not, go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once it opens, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen or the top of the screen and search WhatsApp. As you can see that I already have updated my app because there is no any update button. If you see update button, that means you need to update your app so that you can enjoy the latest features on WhatsApp. For that, simply tap on update and update your app. After that, you need to launch your app and open it. Once you open it, you can select any chat or chat group that you want to add the bullet in WhatsApp message. And then you need to start typing here. Dash. Once you have done dash, you can simply tap on the space, and then as you can see that it automatically turned into bullet. You can now send any message and tap on this airplane icon at the bottom right corner and the message will be sent. So that is how we add bullets in WhatsApp message. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it worked for you, then don't forget to comment below. If you are new to our channel, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for more updates.